Hey everyone, in this short video, I'll be talking to you about the Amazon Associates program, which is basically the affiliate program for Amazon and what you need to know about it, how it works, basically a beginner's guide and sharing some tips on how to succeed with it. Now, I'm someone that actively does affiliate marketing from multiple networks, and one of them happens to be Amazon Associates. And here's actually some of my stats. As you can see, they're not that big, but that's because I promote products from other networks, which actually does make me a full-time income. Here's some of those stats. If you don't already know, I do this full-time. And I create content on this subject, mainly affiliate marketing, through videos like these to help you do the same. And besides asking me whatever questions you want in the comments, I do recommend that if you're someone that is new or struggling and needs help with affiliate marketing, to check out the link in the description and pinned comment of this video, which will share with you what I consider my top recommendation for anyone that needs to succeed in affiliate marketing. It's the same resource that helped me get to where I am today to do this full time. And that's about that out of the way. Let me get back into the main Amazon Associates subject. So, to get started with, like I was just saying earlier, Amazon Associates is basically the affiliate program for the Amazon company itself. You can sign up with it for free, and there is an application process that you have to go through, but if you do get approved, you can basically start promoting pretty much whatever you want on the Amazon network. So let's say, for example, you sign up. Here's actually the main website of the Amazon Associates network. I'll link it below in the description of the video. But once you sign up with it and you get into the program, you can basically start creating what are known as links. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can do it. You can either go through the promotions or tools and the other things that are available out here. But another way that I recommend to make it easier for you is basically to go into the Amazon site itself, type in the name of a product, let's say that it's this one, and once you're approved for the Amazon Associates network, a tab will appear at the top that says Amazon Associates, and right next to it, it'll say Get Link. So whatever page you're on, you can get the affiliate link for that by clicking on text, and that's going to be your unique link. And this is the link that you're going to be able to share online through, let's say, a YouTube video, through a blog, through some kind of ad, on social media. And when people click on that link and buy, let's say, whatever it is, in this case, it's these trekking poles, you will get a commission for that. That's basically how it works. Now, if I go to another product page over here like this, and it opens this up, and I click on Get Link again, I will get a new link for whatever this product is. And that's the way that I do it. Now, the Amazon Associates network pays anywhere from 3 to 10% for every sale, and it is really, generally speaking, it's divided up into different sections of categories of products. So depending on what category of a product that you promote determines what kind of commission that you get. And generally speaking, the more products that you're able to promote in a certain category, the more the commission structure rises. So you can start at, let's say, 10%, and if you make enough sales of whatever product it is that you're promoting, you can get that up to 10%. And being an affiliate for Amazon gives you a lot of opportunities to promote potentially millions of different products that are out there, and whatever niche you're involved in, whatever product you're looking to promote, there's a very good chance that Amazon already has that available. Now, there are some pros and cons to being an Amazon affiliate. Let me talk about the pros first. First of all, you have access to millions of products like I was just talking about. You can create affiliate links very easily. They pay you on time. I've gotten checks over the years on time from them, so that's always a good thing. They have a decent customer support. And they're basically one of the biggest, most legit affiliate networks that are out there. So that's in terms of the pros. You can promote them from multiple different angles out there, through a blog, through Pinterest, through YouTube videos, through social media. So there's a lot of avenues available. Now, in terms of the cons, there are certain things that you need to know. The first one is you don't just sign up with the Amazon Associates program and get approved right away. There's a review process that you got to go through, I believe, and I would recommend that you first have some sort of website that gets visitors and potentially makes sales, or some kind of YouTube channel that does the same before you apply to them. Because what happens is that if you do get approved, there's a policy where I believe there's 180 days where you need to make at least 3 sales as an affiliate for Amazon, otherwise they shut down your account. So it's better for you to have an already established entity, an online entity like a website or YouTube channel that's getting viewers and has the potential to make sales before you sign up to this affiliate network, and that'll help make sure that you get these things to go. Now, the third con to understand, and this is kind of like a double-edged sword, is that it's low commissions. Like I was just talking about, 3 to 10% commissions, and typically you can promote a wide range of products, and because of the low commission rate, people tend to want to promote more of the expensive products, which are like thousands of dollars, and that's totally understandable. But the thing to understand is that it's low commissions, but if done right, you can actually scale those low commissions for much higher amounts. Technically, promoting higher ticket items works, but there's less people that buy them because less people can afford it. One of the videos that I've made on this subject is where I actually got a check from Amazon for 115 bucks, and I'll link it below this video as well, where I talk about the pros of promoting low ticket items for low commissions, where you actually get paid a few dollars for a commission versus, let's say, more, because more people buy low ticket items in higher quantities, which can scale those sales for you to make a good passive income. It's something that I'm starting to do with how I promote Amazon products online. But the con here, even though I've been talking more about the pros, is that it's low ticket for the most part, low commissions that you'll be making in the beginning. But if done right, you can actually turn that into a potentially passive income, and the video below talks about that. So that's in terms of the pros and cons. And other than that, the things that you need to know in terms of how to succeed with Amazon Associates is that really it's not necessarily the affiliate network that determines your success so much as it is you and the niche that you choose to create an online business through. So let me give you an example. One of the things that I consistently recommend that people do if they're trying to do affiliate marketing is to choose a niche that they're very interested in, and then create content and product reviews on popular products in that niche, and do it through, let's say, a blog or YouTube videos, and that's how they get things going. So let me use myself as an example. I chose the outdoors niche as one of my niches that I'm very passionate about. And let me just show you what this channel looks like for just a moment. And this is the channel, and what I do on this channel is I'm growing it as a YouTube channel so I can monetize it, but I also do product reviews where I review popular outdoorsy products. So I have videos about how to do that as well, but I'll review trekking poles, hiking shoes, trail vests, waterproof socks, a whole bunch of different things, and promote that as an affiliate. So I will, let's say, right there, I have a link over here so you can see some of my, actually I don't have it on this one, maybe go on this one over here. Yeah, these are the trekking poles. You can see that this link right here is an Amazon link that I have, and I've made a bunch of sales for this. Oh, by the way, one more pro that I remember that I forgot to mention is that when you link people to an Amazon page for them to get the product, if they don't buy the product but they buy something else on the Amazon page within 24 hours, you still get a commission for that. So I've often had people click on, let's say, this link over here, not buy what I was promoting, which was the trekking poles, but buy something else, and I still got the credit for it. So that's another avenue of monetization that you can access as an Amazon affiliate. But the point being is, you should choose something that you're interested in and then find popular products on Amazon that are tied into that niche. So I chose outdoors, so I'll promote outdoorsy products that are popular. I promote outdoorsy products that are popular because more people buy it, so it's easier for me to sell it as an affiliate. And that's generally how I recommend you get started with it. So that sums up everything that I wanted to get across in this video about the Amazon Associates program. If you have any questions about it, feel free to let me know in the comments section below. And once again, if you're new or struggling to affiliate marketing and you need help with it, feel free to leave your comment below, or what I recommend is checking out the other link. It'll be the first link in the description of this video and pinned comment that takes you to a resource that helped me to get to where I am in this business as someone that makes a full-time income as an affiliate, as well as other people. That'll really help you get going with it, and it's actually free to get started with it. So thanks a lot again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.